Oh shit. Y'all still subscribe? Okay. Turbo's Garage back here again, and we're back at it with the blue thing. So, I mean, y'all haven't probably seen this car in what? I would say 6 months. Yeah, because a lot of shit happened in 6 months. I originally blew the motor in it. Well, I didn't blow it up, so it just had a spun bearing. I blew the bearing in there. However that happened, I think I had low oil level on the car, and my dipstick is like weird. So yeah, I just probably forgot to put oil. Something happened, and I was running it, started to squeal, started squeaking, and then it just got worse, started knocking, and then I just cut it off. And that's the old motor right here. So this is the LS1 that came out of it. I have plans for this come very, very soon. It's probably gonna go into a 4-door truck, which is mine as well. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. But in the meantime, if you see there, that's the old LS1. So what's in this thing now? So we swapped the LM753 in there, threw the 243 heads on, still the stage 4 cam set up on there. So it's everything that the LS1 was, it has a 5.3 short block in it. Now, what I kind of like about this thing now is the 5.3 short block is a Gen 4, so it has Gen 4 rising pistons in it. We still got a 460 in here, but we're gonna swap the Turbo 400, the same one that I have in the 240, the stage 4 trans brake, all that good shit. We're gonna swap that in there. So. And in the meantime as well, the Trans Am somehow became his. Oh, yeah. So this is his Trans Am. So we got the he got the Trans Am, we got the Tahoe. If you can see the Tahoe over there, kind of has a big single turbo on there. I'm gonna go over that pretty soon. The 240 as well. Then IS. I'm like, you got too many vehicles, bro. No, too many projects. Yeah. So we're gonna see how the TA does, and just, I mean, we just swapped everything over, so we don't kind of know how it does full throttle. We had a little misfire issue, but we tracked it down to a broken spark plug, and see how this thing goes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. Tuning it. Hell yeah, cuz. This shit hit hard down. Sounds good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I know.
It's a converter. That's
Yeah, we don't got no converter in it. Quick Hondo though. Like, geez, like this shit on it like so quick.
Oh, yeah,
but top of second is 100. So once you get that, yeah,
that's good.
Yeah.
I hit it on the wheel. I hit it to third.
Yeah. So what, we saying fuck it at this point and running nitrous on it?
Oh yeah. Let me get that motor running good.
Let's send it. Let's do this process all the way over again. Let's replace this motor again.
Exactly. But let's get it. At least we got fun this time.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everything I did wrong, you're doing right. So from here, throwing a 50 shot on it. So we want to kind of at the end goal is going to be like a 150. Once we put the Turbo 400 in here, but now we're gonna throw a 50 shot on it, test that. If that works good, then we're gonna bump it up to 100 shot, and probably has to stay there because stock pump is still a heads cam 5.3. So I mean, like, you're kind of pretty much pushing the fuel system to the limits. We kind of want to see how it goes. It's just like Mythbusters for, we break shit so you don't have to, pretty much. So yeah, got that Gap insurance right here. Fully filled. It's just cold right now, so all the pressure is way down. We're gonna tune it at 1,000 psi. That's a good in between. Some people tune at 9, some people tune at 12. We'll tune at 1,000. So straight thou, bruh. Open it up, babe. All right, cool. Yep, it's lines are holding. All right. Purge it. Oh shit. That gets me every time, goddamn. All right, I'm gonna follow Nigel in the truck. We'll hit this thing. Stumbled like that. I don't know if the fuel jet too big or what, but stumbled, then it just took off. Oh, she gone. She's squirrely. Oh, that bitch gone. I'm full throttle the whole time. Damn, she got squirrely too. That 100 shot hit. That's a baby shot. 100 shot is a baby shot. Like, we plan to run a 200 on that Cam 5.3, but the 4060 we know we can't take it, so we gonna put the Turbo 400 in there. We kind of do some little preliminary testing. Boy, she get it. I'm proud of the old girl, man. I guess we're pitting it up for tonight.
Yeah, definitely.
4060 probably gonna.
Yeah, at least I know the motor's good.
Yeah. 4060 crying right now. You don't even want to pull the dipstick. You don't even want to see the carnage.
460 is hold up. It was holding.
Yeah, the second or third shift, that thing was like, oh, I haven't experienced that before. Cash Days 2019.
He said he wants you again.
Oh yeah. Back up a little bit. Ooh! That VTEC. Ooh.